Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Quincy here, your go to guy for the latest and greatest in AI technology and web development. If you're new here, uh, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today I'm going to introduce you to some killer AI tools that'll save you time and money. And first, I'm about to show you this AI tool called Wizardshot. It is a AI software that is current that once you install it and if you activate it all and if you press capture, like it'll it'll actually create an article based on what you did. And there's like a little video that'll explain most of it.
He's not lazy, he's just, he hates making tutorials for his team. Luckily for Bob, there's Wizardshot. Wizardshot magically and with the power of AI creates step-by-step tutorials. Just click capture, perform your task, and that's it. As you work, we record every click and keystroke, taking screenshots to visually document the process. The result? A clear step-by-step tutorial created automatically. With Wizardshot, making tutorials is as easy as doing the task itself. Oh, and as far as Bob goes, some things just never change.
So basically, it captures like every 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 click or every type,
Keystroke.
every keystroke that you do on the page.
Okay. All right. So, hey guys, this is Jamal, Quincy's dad, and I'm here as well, just helping him out today and putting this video together. But the beauty of this AI software that he found is that if you have a business and you want to systemize your business, and the best way to grow your business is to systemize your business. So anyone that you bring into it can just follow along the system and the tutorials or the steps that you created to make it a seamless process. So having these systems that you can create on the fly will help grow your business because it cuts down training time for
This
employees.
is
It cuts down training time for employees, and it'll just make your life a lot easier. And you can onboard people a lot better. You can, with your staff, you can send them how step by step things on how you do it in particular. That way, you know that it gets done the way that you want to get it done, and your team members do it the correct way. So this is an awesome AI software. I think you guys should use it. I'm glad that he found it. I'm probably going to use this one for my business as well. So I'm glad he found it. But continue, Quincy.
And yeah, the this is definitely great if you're trying to actually recruit some people and if you don't actually have like any time to make a
Teach them, right?
yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's great. All right. So what do we want to do?
All right. So if you want any tutorials quick, fast, in a hurry, make sure to get this AI software.
What's the name of it again?
The AI software is called Wizardshot. And go to the website wizardshot.com.
Can you zoom in so they can see the URL or no? You can't zoom. Okay. Okay, no problem. Here you go.
And and remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon so you never miss a latest video. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions based in AI software or web development.
Okay.
This is Quincy from Schultz Media Group signing off.
What's your
Yeah.
hold on, I didn't mean to do that, but what's the phone number in case they want to give you a call or give your company a call so you can give them some awesome insights and kind of consult with them and help them out?
Yeah, if you want a help with like website like based in WordPress, or if you want me to create a WordPress website, go to the website schultzmediagroup.com or just call 800-461-3650. Again, our phone number is 800-461-3650. And that is it, folks. This is Quincy signing off.